On behalf of JCI Puerto Princesa Oil, it's my honor to welcome you here in our little paradise here in Palau.
Enjoy our beautiful beaches, enjoy our underground river, enjoy the beauty of Palawan. Maraming salamat for coming. And once again, welcome.
Think I woke up on the right side, hit me like a high five. Loving life, so I'ma swipe right. Pack a smile for a new day, turn over a new page. Man, I'm really on that new.
Being part of JCI member na we play different hats, and ang challenge sa atin is how we can fit.
We have the top LO, JCI Dagupan Bangus. And the top area is Area 5. And the top region is Pangasinan Region.
Like, whoa, sun is shining like gold. I think I finally know it's okay to let go.
The objective of this is to highlight the works of our local organizations.
This preliminary compilation reflects the status of local organizations based on our ongoing reconciliation efforts.
Everybody wants to know the secret to the world.
Maraming salamat po sa pag-implement nyo ng mga programs. I am happy to announce that from last year, there is already an increase of 200%.
Yung maging manalo bonus na lang yun eh. Pero yung mag-field kami doon sa top 3 positions, naiiyak na kami buong chapter.
So keep joining, keep attending, keep participating, and always mabuhay ang JCI Philippines.
I feel like, whoa, life is good for my soul. Used to think that I know every day.
Sa mga LOs na nagtatanong if they can still bid for National Convention Awards, this is your chance. Yung mga projects po natin, sana po, hindi lang natin sa itago sa region, sa area, sa national. Ipakita rin po natin sa international.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat. And to all local organization presidents, keep soaring high. Practically everyone in the room is a winner. So let's congratulate ourselves.
Ang Bicol region po, we have the NP Bing Luis Abanyo Award.
Hopefully, makapag-charter kami ng another chapter pa.
Mag-start na kami magkaroon ng GCI Area Trainer, yung global.
Since we are celebrating our 10th year, gusto po namin na makita pa yung JCI Pili Isarog in the next 10 years and beyond.
Life is good for my soul. Used to think that I know every day.
Called out to natin for my term is maximize. So we're maximizing the potentials of all the members.
As the first Muslim president ng aming chapter, talagang nag-promise ako na tutuunan ko ng pansin ang Muslim community na minority sa Gentry. Service without boundaries. Yun yung talagang tag namin na service without boundaries para sa ibang lugar.
Earlier this year, namigay kami doon sa mga nasunugan.
This year, nagawa namin na ang dami na talaga niyang mga sumunod. Like, ginagawa pa lang, meron na agad siyang kasunod.
Kahit bilang lang sa daliri yung aming programa pero sustainable. Yun po yung pinupush po namin.
We will continue capacity building trainings, then youth empowerment initiatives.
Build early partnership with schools, youth groups, local organizations.
Kahit na medyo hirap, nakapagdagdag naman kami ng additional members.
Stable membership, strong at 27. Develop 3 new project chairs.
Strong social media branding, strategic partnerships.
Yung pong membership training talaga, kailangan po talaga ma-focus namin yung members.
I don't think that there is anything na more or less than what we are experiencing as collectively, as president and RVP. So, sabi ko dito, maurag lang ang Bicol.
At hindi naman ho sa pagmamayabang, yung ibang top LOs ay from the region with regards to PEA. I would like personally to congratulate JCI Imus Wagayway at yung ating mga ladies of Silang. Ang gagaling nyo.
chapters consistently in top 50 for 3 consecutive quarters. Congrats, SPPK and Damas de San Pedro po.
Sa aming region, there is peace and love.
Outlaws for all the good reasons. A jigsaw with all the right pieces. You and me, we go good together.
Maraming salamat sa mga LO presidents ko na nandito. Kompleto po kami dahil po kami yung host. So maraming salamat po for coming in Palawan, for celebrating the ECM with us. Maraming salamat.
So good together. Anywhere we go, we go good together. It's gravitation, and when I see ya, it's like a bone to a golden retriever.
I want to thank RVP Carl for accepting hosting the third ACM and the entire Palawan region. Palakpakan po natin sila. And sa lahat ng members ng Palawan region na nandito ngayon na nakasuporta sa atin. And at the same time, thank you sa lahat ng Likhayan presidents and members na talagang bumiyahe pa dito kahit medyo malayo. Thank you for all the participants dito sa third ACM. And Solak po, September 5 to 7, i-book na po natin. Then, invite na rin po natin yung mga members natin para mas masaya, mas marami.
We go